How can US government interfere in the project happening in India, right? So this is the part 2 of the Adani saga. So let's understand just after the stock market crash, एक दूसरा twist क्या आया था? So this is the other twist. तो 2024 के अंदर a case was filed by the US Department of Justice and Security Exchange Commission against the Adanis, claiming that Adani had bribed the Indian government for taking a major solar power project and the bribery was of approximately 2200 crore. ये allegation लगाया गया था and Adani sir का आर्नाव claim था that all these allegations were baseless and Adani sir का जो एक power play था that was something कि उन्होंने सबसे best lawyer hire किया था अमेरिका का रॉबर्ट जियोफ्रा. He is also the lawyer of President Donald Trump and finally उन्होंने ये कोर्ट के अंदर प्रूव कर दिया that all the evidence shown by the other side were baseless and evidenceless and also एक सबसे मेजर जो पिच रखा गया था उनकी लॉयर के द्वारा. So that was something that just because of this case Adani is not able to invest more than $10 billion in the US economy और ये investment 15,000 plus employment generate कर सकता है US economy के अंदर. And guess what हुआ क्या finally? So finally the case has been closed and also Adani is free of all the charges. And do you consider it a legal victory or something else? Follow for more.